Now, Upwork added this feature, this boosted message feature, and a number of people have been asking what does that mean. People see it, they don't know what it truly means. Now, boosted message is an art on its own. Do you understand? And before I explain that, I want to answer a popular question people have been asking me. They ask, what service do I render? What I do is GoHighLevel. And GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform. Anything you see me post here, any money, any earning that you see that I post here, it is from GoHighLevel. $9,000, $15,000, $25,000, retainer, anything you see, it is, except the ones I did a breakdown of the total turnaround for last year. But anything you see is GoHighLevel. And as a virtual assistant, GoHighLevel is a big plus for you. GoHighLevel is a big plus for you. It's an in-demand skill. You need it. Do you understand? So if you are this is not me marketing it yet, but if you are interested in it, the link has always been on my bio. Do you understand? We are presently updating the courses, but it's an in-demand skill. So back to the boosted messages. Now, boosted messages, if you use Fiverr, when you are on Fiverr Plus or Freelancer Plus, is it Freelancer Plus on Fiverr now? When you start running ads, these are the two ads I used to know on Fiverr. One is when a client search for your message, for your keywords, for your service rather. Once a client search for that, the way the gigs are arranged, 1, 2, 3, when you are viewing from a computer, 1, 2, 3, for like 4 columns like that. The way it is, you will see your gig will pop up, especially if you are viewing if you view from a Nigeria and I think Africa mostly, or maybe Nigerian IP address, you will not see ads. Do you understand? But if you are viewing from Canada, Germany, South Africa, then mostly USA, if you search for a service, Fiverr will prioritize those who are running ads on their account. You will see their gig at the top showing ads. That is one. The second one is inbox ads. Now that inbox ads, you as the freelancer, you don't get to see it. Upwork, Fiverr pushes that themselves. Do you understand? Now that is what Upwork is doing here, but it's slightly different. Do you understand? How it functions on Fiverr is when a client search for a service and they message a particular freelancer, Fiverr will automatically boost your gig into the client's inbox. Like it will appear as if you are the one who sent a message into the client's inbox. Do you understand? So that the client can click on it and then send you a message. So once the client click on your inbox and send you a message, your CP click cost per click, your CPC we read. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain? So that approach is what Upwork is doing, but Upwork is slightly different from that. Do you get? That one has to do with your gig, but this one now, boosted messages, it is presently being tested. Do you understand? So a lot of you will not see it yet. Many people will not see, but some people have it already. Do you understand? But boosted message, it has like 500 characters limitation, and it is a customized message. What I mean by a customized message is you have to craft your message in the best way you can, targeting your best audience. Do you understand? You do not want to write a message, because the idea is that Upwork want to match you with the best clients related to what you wrote in your message. Do you understand me now? So you will not want to write a message that is targeting different clients. When we were having our master class, we had an Upwork class, I think over 2 hours plus. I was showing the latest things going on Upwork, what was working and what is no longer working. And one of the things that we mentioned in the class, and I emphasized so much, is targeting a particular niche, niching down. Do you understand? So you will not want to craft your boosted message. You are at the same time you are targeting a real estate, you are targeting someone in the insurance, you are targeting someone in the coaching, you are targeting someone in the transportation. You understand? Now, targeted message or boosted message is such that you have to craft it to target a particular client so that Upwork can target the person. Do you understand? To target a particular type of client, maybe those who are in beauty or health. You want to craft that your message, then you target them, then you boost. So you set your bid just the way you set bid for boosted profile. Do you understand? So that if it enters the client inbox, the message will be sent to the client inbox. If a client search for a particular keyword and probably the message someone, Upwork will automatically send that your customized message. It is like the Fiverr Fiverr auto reply. You go into Fiverr, then you want to do auto reply, you put in a message clients would see. If peradventure they send you a message and you are not online, so you know it is like a template. That is how this one is. Not that the boosted message is like it is not a proposal kind of thing where you tailor each message based on the client's job post. You don't get to see what the client is posting. Upwork sees it. Do you understand? Upwork sees what the client is looking for. Then Upwork will push that your it is a particular message that is being sent to various clients. Do you understand? It's a single message. So everyone might not see it yet, but that is it.